Good morning, students. Up to this class, we are learning about the waves, types of waves, and in that type of waves, especially learning about the mechanical wave and that progressive and stationary wave. In the last class, we discussed about the stationary wave. Stationary wave. The stationary wave is the special feature is node, antinode. In generally, we will call this one is mode. We call this mode. A set of frequency in general called a fundamental frequency. At the node, the displacement is 0. D means 0. At the antinode, displacement is maximum. Minimum at node. Okay. In this case, it derived two equation of the displacement x equal to for node x equal to n by 2 lambda. N by 2 lambda. For antinode x equal to n plus 1 by 2 sorry, this one is n lambda by 2. In this case, lambda by 2. First one is node displacement or x equal to n lambda by 2. Antinode, this one is equal to x equal to n plus 1 n plus 1 by 2 of lambda by 2. In this case, we apply this node and antinode. Then a stitched string or wire. Taken for an example, a stitched wire or string. For example, a wire is bounded or fixed between two boundaries. The length is L. The length is L. Then this have some type of stationary wave is formed. The stationary wave is formed. Only this region we will call a mode. In this case, we have the 4 modes, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4 modes. Okay, then this one is node, this one is antinode, this one is node, antinode, node, this one is antinode, node, antinode, and this one is a node. And one of boundary condition you already know that the boundary condition is that the boundary that displacement is 0. In the previous class we will already learn about that. This is the stitched string is the fixed between two boundaries. Then it made it formed a stationary wave like it have the modes. In general, formed a 4 modes. For example, in this case, only one mode is formed. One mode is formed. Taken as one mode is formed. Then, taken from this equation, lambda equal to 2x by n. 2x by n. this one taken in the, this is the displacement, but in the this case the x is replaced by L. The L is replaced by x is replaced by L. So in this case lambda equal to 2L by N. 2L by N. You already know the velocity v equal to mu lambda or f by f lambda. F means this one is frequency, this one is wavelength, this one is velocity. It means the velocity v equal to f lambda. F means frequency, lambda and velocity. But in the stationary wave, the special feature is the constraint on the frequency. So f equal to frequency, f equal to v by lambda, but the speed of the stitched or a transfer wave v equal to, we already know about that in the previous class, T by mu, tension by mass density. In the case it taken wide, that's why the v we will write like as T by mu. This is the a tension force, a tension. This is the mass density, So frequency f equal to v means velocity by, this is alternately down means n by 2L. This is the fundamental, one of the fundamental formula. Frequency equal to Vn by 2L. Vn by 2L. L means the length of the wire. L means length of the wires. N means number of modes. In this case taken as only one. So F equal to, we will write as V by 2L. V by 2L. Then alternately, what is the V? V equal to under root of T by mu 1 by 2L. This is the one of fundamental equation or formula. F equal to 1 by 2L under root of T by mu. Please by heart it formulas. One is Vn by 2L, another way is frequency equal to 1 by 2L into under root of T by mu. This is only applicable for the a wire, a stitched wire. This is generally called a fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency. And this is also very important for IPE 8 marks question. IPE 8 marks question. That one is the what is the that question is please state of the what is the stationary waves and how it is formed in the a stitched wire. A stitched wire, simply we will say taken a L length of L wire, then it fixed through boundaries. This one is boundaries and fix it, then meet and leave it. It have the oscillations and then it's bounded or fixed two ends or boundaries. That's why in this situation of the wire, we formed a stationary waves. Stationary waves nothing but these are two waves. One is this one, another one is this one. These two waves have the same frequency, same velocity and same wavelength, but only in the propagation direction is opposite. Whenever two waves, this quantity is same, but in the opposite direction, then it gives the stationary waves. This is the formation of the stationary wave on the stitched string. Then you take only one mode, the special case one mode, like take this one is a simply this one. Then in case lambda we will write as from this at node it means boundaries at node equal to n lambda by 2, so lambda equal to 2x by n. But in the case taken as the distance x by instant of x instant of L instead of x, that's why see the same case lambda equal to we will write as 2L by n, 2L by n. But you already in the previous class you learned one of the a fundamental formula v equal to velocity equal to, in the case of transverse wave, the speed of the transverse wave v equal to lambda by frequency by wavelength, frequency equal to v by lambda. But in this one case is the string. In this string, the speed equal to t by mu. So we will get this equation. From this we will write like this. Because of the it taken as n equal to 1, so you get this one. In this case n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like infinity. Then same thing, and this one we will call a fundamental frequency or fundamental harmonic, fundamental frequency or fundamental harmonic. Then same equation in this case of take like as n equal to in the formula n, then n equal to frequency 2L by the root of t by mu. For example, take n equal to 2. This one equal to frequency equal to 2L by the root of t by mu. But 1 by 2L into mu equal to, in generally we will take as F1. So F equal to 2F1. Same like thing. For example, F3. This is F2. Generally Fn. This one is Fn. In the case this one is F1. Same thing. In F3 we will write like as 3F1, and so on. Fn we will write as n into F1. So the alternate of the modes or number of modes increase. These modes we will write in the term of the a fundamental frequency or fundamental harmonics. We will show in this equation Fn equal to n into F1. This is indicated as all of the modes, a extension of the or more than one. It is like in term of the a primary mode. Then this one F2 we will call a secondary harmonic or secondary harmonic or secondary frequencies. Up to F2, F3 and F4 and F1 we will call a tones. Except F1, other F2 or F3 and F4 we will call a tones. Tones means except of the primary frequency or primary harmonics. This is the 8 most question of the one of the IP 8 most important. That one is the stitched string, the formation of the stationary wave in the on the stitched string. This is the our class.